So as you can see, we're going to learn how to analyze, how to assess, evaluate, and understand arguments by actually working through examples and doing it. And let's see, I'm hoping you wrote down some thoughts about this particular example, but one very good way of proceeding with cases like this is to try to give a summary of the points that are being made by the author. And keep in mind, a summary is not every single point, but rather just the major points that the author is making. You might have to later add some, but you at least can get the major points in there. And let's take a look. At least I tried doing that, or maybe what I should do is ask you to stop it now and go back and take another look if you haven't summarized the point, and try to make a summary and try to get 4 or 5, no more than 6 or so points, more than one though, of what the author is saying. Stop the recording, go do it, and come back to it. Okay, I'm going to give you a summary that I put together. The first point is that the death penalty would only be applied in very few cases. The death penalty is unfairly applied to minorities. Third point that I got out of his article is the death penalty is more costly than the alternative of life imprisonment. And I said these are the major reasons that he cited for thinking that the death penalty should not be implemented. That here is kind of my summary of the major points. And I think it's helpful for you to summarize it, because now you can look at it and say, and now think about, is that what the guy's saying? Is he right? Does that make sense?